Time for another look at your weather on the ones here on Spectrum News 1. A happy Sunday, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr taking you through a pretty soggy Sunday. Unfortunately, we are looking at periods of rain to move through the bluegrass for much of the day. Might even be a rumble of thunder or two as we're dealing with a lot of that widespread rainfall. Now, I will say there could be a break for a little bit in far eastern sections into the Daniel Boone National Forest. But for the most part, many of us will see that steady rainfall for a good part of the day. It's going to take until this afternoon and maybe even this evening for that rain to really start to ease up to more showery, drizzle, mist kind of rainfall, especially by tonight. But not before we get an additional quarter to half inch, at least in Lexington. Notice the lighter amounts the further to the south and east you go, away from the better dynamics, the better lifting from that front as it crosses further to your north and west. But overall today, we'll see those periods of rain with the gusty winds. Could see some wind-driven showers as well. As you can see here, by the lunch hour, some spots seeing some rain, others aren't. This is the rainfall associated with the actual front. It's going to take its time to get in here. Notice by 6 o'clock, more hit or miss showers for portions of eastern Kentucky before more of that shower activity rolls in here in the overnight hours, but will be very scattered for the most part. This is not our rain event for us in the bluegrass. It's more of a northeast and western Kentucky ordeal. Notice by the lunch hour tomorrow, things much quieter. We will still see the gusty winds, especially in and around Lexington. Winds could gust 25, maybe 35 miles an hour, as well as in the higher elevations here near Black Mountain, Pike County, Lecter County, those areas. And then by tomorrow morning, things finally starting to subside in terms of those wind gusts. So mid-60s today, that's about all we'll muster. That's still slightly above average for this time of the year, where we should be in the upper 50s. So everybody here seeing temperatures for the most part in the 60s. And then tonight, normal lows 38, so still well above average into the 40s and 50s. But Veterans Day looks great with just a little bit of patchy morning fog. Tuesday, much cooler, only into the lower 50s before we warm up ahead of our next front that could bring us a couple of showers Wednesday night and into Thursday.